Most people get this wrong. They think travel credit cards like the Wyndham Earner Plus card are only worth it if you travel all the time. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring how much value this card can actually give even for moderate travelers. In this video, we are breaking down the Wyndham Earner Plus card review for 2026 and answering the real question, is it actually worth it? Let's start with the basics. The Wyndham Earner Plus card is a hotel rewards credit card focused on the Wyndham Hotel network. That includes brands like Days Inn, Ramada, La Quinta, and Wyndham Grand. Now here's where it gets interesting. This card is designed to help you earn points fast, especially on everyday spending categories like gas, groceries, and Wyndham hotel stays. Let's break it down step by step. First, the welcome bonus. Most versions of this card offer a large points bonus if you meet a spending requirement in the first few months. For someone like Alex who travels a few times a year, this bonus alone can cover multiple free hotel nights if used correctly. But here's the problem most people miss. They focus only on the bonus and ignore long-term earning potential, which is where the real value comes in. Now let's talk about earning structure. The Wyndham Earner Plus card typically gives higher points on Wyndham purchases, plus strong rewards on everyday categories like gas and dining. For someone like Jake who drives a lot for work, this can add up faster than expected. Now here's the key question. Are the points actually valuable? In many cases, yes. Wyndham has a relatively simple redemption system where free nights often cost a fixed number of points. This makes it easier to understand compared to complex airline programs. In a minute, I'll explain where this card becomes weak, so you can decide if it fits your lifestyle. Second, perks and benefits. This card often includes automatic elite status within Wyndham Rewards. That can mean perks like late checkout, room upgrades, and bonus points on stays. These benefits matter more if you actually stay in Wyndham properties regularly. Third, fees and costs. The Wyndham Earner Plus card is not a free card. It comes with an annual fee, so you need to make sure the rewards you earn are higher than what you are paying. This is where most people fail. They sign up without calculating value. So is it worth it in 2026? If you stay at Wyndham hotels even a few times per year and use everyday spending categories smartly, the card can absolutely be worth it. If you rarely travel or prefer flexible travel rewards, there may be better options. Let's summarize everything clearly. The Wyndham Earner Plus card is a strong hotel rewards card with solid earning potential, especially for Wyndham loyal users, but it only becomes truly valuable if you actually use the hotel network. If this helped you understand whether the Wyndham Earner Plus card is worth it in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit and travel card breakdowns like this.